Okay, good morning, Miss.
Good morning, sir.
Today we are going to do the evaluation for Mathematica, Math, and Science, and I will take from the LP next week. So we will start from Math first. Here we have the question of Math. You can start from the first question here.
Okay. A bag contains 4 red apples and 2 green apples. What are the possible outcomes when Mindy pick an apple? It's C, a red apple or a green apple. 2. There are 4 red apples and 2 green apples. Mindy likely to pick a red apple. There are no pears in the bag. It is blank blank blank. For Mindy to pick a pear, it is impossible. There are 3 red and 3 green apples. What is the chance for her to pick a red apple? Is it even chance? The chance that an event will happen is called likelihood. B. When you flip a coin, there is an blank to get head or tails, even chance. B. Which event is certain to happen? B. You
Sorry.
blink today.
Okay, you blink. Today is which event is certain to. So this one number 5 before the chance.
The chance that an event will happen is called likelihood.
The chance that an event will happen, likelihood. Okay. Next, number 8.
Which event has no chance to happen? It's A. Your table talks to you. Potential for unfavorable outcome probability. It's called risks. Mention five categories of likelihood scale. The five categories of likelihood scale. It's impossible, unlikely, even chance, likely, and certain.
Certain, yeah.
Number 3, the likelihood of the spinner need to be landing on the letter A. What is the likelihood or scale of the spinner? The likelihood of this scale is certain.
Certain.
What is the definition of more likely? The definition of more likely is higher than the other outcomes. In a fair die roll, number 1 until 6 are equally likely. What is the definition of the bold word? Equally likely is same from 2 outcomes.
Okay.
Number 1, Kylie draws a ball from a bag without looking. There are 1 black, 3 purple, and 6 pink balls in the bag. If Kylie drawing a pink ball, what is the likelihood scale of green ball and black ball? The green ball is impossible because there is no green ball in here. And then the black ball is unlikely because only 1 black ball there. Rita has a book with 30 photos. 30 photos. There are 8 photos of her friends and 2 photos of her cat. The rest of photos are of her family. Rita randomly picks a photo from the box without looking. What is likely Rita to pick a photo? So in here there is 30 photo. And then we don't know how many the family, but in here we know the 8 photo is her friend and 2 photo is her cat. And the rest of this will be the family. So 8 plus 2 is 10. So the rest of the family's photo is 20. So the scale of the likelihood scale of the likely is family's photo.
Okay. Okay, now we move to Mathematica. Start from the first question. Oh yeah.
Oke, sebuah segitiga memiliki panjang sisi 7, 8, dan 9. Keliling segitiga tersebut adalah 24 karena rumus dalam menghitung keliling sebuah segitiga yaitu sisi tambah sisi tambah sisi. Diketahui segitiga sama sisi memiliki panjang setiap sisinya 15. Nah, segitiga sama sisi pasti memiliki sisi yang sama di ketiga sisinya. Maka tinggal dikalikan 15 dikali 3 yaitu 45. D. 3. Sebuah segitiga memiliki sisi 10, 12, dan 15. Rumus keliling yang benar yaitu B, sisi tambah sisi tambah sisi. 4. Panjang sisi sebuah segitiga adalah 25 cm, 25 cm, dan 30. Keliling segitiga tersebut adalah 80 cm. Sebuah persegi panjang memiliki panjang 12 dan lebar 8 cm. Nah, untuk rumus keliling persegi panjang yaitu 2 dikali P tambah L, atau bisa 2 dikali P ditambah 2 dikali L. Nah, keliling persegi panjang tersebut adalah C40. Rumus keliling persegi panjang yang benar adalah A.
Oke.
Sebuah persegi panjang mempunyai keliling 48 dan lebarnya adalah 10. Berapakah panjangnya? Nah, kalau bertemu dengan soal seperti ini, tidak diketahui berapa panjangnya. Namun, persegi panjang itu seperti ini. Nah, diketahui lebarnya itu adalah 10. Lebar sisi yang satu dengan sisi yang satu pasti akan sama. Nah, jika diketahui kelilingnya 48 dikurang 20 sama dengan ini 3, ini 12. Nah, panjang dari 12. Maka panjangnya yaitu 12.
Wait. 48 dikurang 20.
Ya, karena sisi lebarnya ini 10.
48 dikurang 20. Kenapa bisa jadi 12?
Harusnya 48. Ini harusnya 48 dikurang 20. Ini harusnya 3 karena dipinjam.
No. 8 dikurang 0.
Sorry.
Ya.
8. 28.
Okay.
Nah, harusnya ini karena ini kita tidak ketahui, maka kita harus mencari 2 ini dengan cara dibagi 2. 28 dibagi 2 sama dengan 14.
14. Oke, jawabannya 14. Ya, it's good. Number 8.
Sebuah taman berbentuk segitiga mempunyai sisi 18, 25, dan 21. Keliling ini sama dengan sisi tambah sisi tambah sisi sama dengan 64.
64, oke. 7, 5, 95. Ya. Oke. Next, we go to number 1.
Arti dari kata keliling. Arti dari kata keliling adalah total seluruh bangun yang tertutupi. Rumus luas persegi panjang. Rumus, definisi dari kata rumus adalah persamaan matematis yang menghitung suatu nilai. Lalu sebutkan macam-macam segitiga. Macam-macam segitiga ada segitiga sama sisi, segitiga siku-siku, dan segitiga sama kaki. Keliling sebuah segitiga sama sisi yang memiliki panjang 5 cm. Nah, karena segitiga sama sisi itu memiliki panjang sisi yang sama, maka kelilingnya tinggal kita kalikan 3 saja, karena segitiga memiliki 3 sisi, yaitu 15.
Oke, Miss. Saya mau bicara tentang ini dulu sebentar. Sebutkan macam-macam segitiga. Ini memang di buku ada 3 macam. Ini sebenarnya ini nggak bisa digabung. Kalau tadi Miss jawabnya sama sisi, sama kaki, maka pasangan satu lagi adalah sembarang. Jadi dia tidak bisa digabung dengan segitiga sama dengan segitiga siku-siku, karena ini adalah penggolongan segitiga berdasarkan sisinya. Ini pun soalnya kurang lengkap, karena segitiga bisa digolongkan berdasarkan sisi atau berdasarkan sudut. Jika berdasarkan sudut nanti dia akan ada 3 juga nanti, lancip, tumpul, dan siku-siku. Jadi Miss harus jelas di sini dia sebutkan macam-macam segitiga ini kalau berdasarkan sisi atau berdasarkan sudut. Oke. Lanjut nomor 5.
Oke, hitunglah keliling segitiga tersebut sama. Ini 20 ditambah 25, 45, 45 tambah 15 sama dengan 60. Tentukan keliling dari persegi panjang tersebut. Dengan menghitung keliling sama dengan 2 dikali P ditambah L. Nah, panjangnya 2 ditambah 4 dikali 2 sama dengan 2 dikali 6. dengan 12.
Oke. Ini jangan lupa dikasih dalam kurung ya, Miss. Oke. Ya. Keliling. Oke, skip this one. Okay, now we just move to science. We start from the first question.
Ice melts at 100 degrees Celsius to form water. It falls because ice melts the temperature is 0 degrees Celsius. The melting point of ice is 0 degrees Celsius. Is it true? Because the melting point of ice is 0 degrees Celsius.
Sorry, what is the answer for number 1?
Ice melts at 100. It's false.
Because
The melting point of ice is 0 degrees Celsius.
0 degrees Celsius is the point when the water changes into the ice, right? When water changes into the ice at 0 degrees Celsius. So if the position is already ice
Want to melt.
and it wants to melt,
Yeah.
it can be in any degree, right? Even in
Yeah.
4 degrees Celsius.
But the statement in our book 0 degrees Celsius.
If 0 degrees Celsius, I think the statement will be like this: water will be freezing at 0 degrees Celsius, right? Not ice melts. Because if ice melts, it means
In every temperature, you mean?
yeah, if you put ice melts at 0 degrees Celsius, it will be wrong, right? Because water will be freezing at 0 degrees Celsius. You know what I mean, right?
Yes. Sir.
Maybe you can try to see the correct statement of this letter. I think this is not too clear about this first statement. Okay, we go to
The melting point of ice is 0 degrees Celsius. Is it true? Because the melting point of ice is 0 degrees Celsius. Boiling happens when water changes from liquid to gas. It's true because the boiling it's happen when the water get heat from the temperature and change to be a gas or water vapor. The boiling point of pure water is 0 degrees Celsius. It's false because the boiling point of pure water is 100 degrees Celsius. When water freezes, it expands and take up more space. It's true because when the water freezes, the particles of the water change from liquid to solid and it need much space to expand. What is solidifies? Solidifies is the process become harder or firm permanently. What is the function of the thermometer in laboratory? The function of the thermometer in the laboratory is to measure the substances in laboratory. And also the thermometer laboratory it's wider when you measure than the clinical laboratory. What is the thermometer? Thermometer is used to measure the temperature of the things, and it's also used to measure the substances in the lab, or want to measure the melting point of ice. Make certain of something will happen cold answer. A balloon expands when filled with water. Expand in here, the definition is increases in volume and in size or in size. When water is put in the freezer, it freezes. What happened to the particles? So when the water is freezes, the particle is changed from the liquid to the solid. Mention 4 steps to use a thermometer. So the step to use for thermometer, the first one is place the thermometer upright, and the second, put the level of the liquid in the thermometer. After that, the third, put the thermometer on eye level. Ensure you can read the measurement. The fourth step is read the thermometer nearest to the level of the thermometer. Number 3, what is the difference between melting and freezing? So melting is the process when solid turns to be liquid, but freezing the process when the liquid turns to be a solid. Mention one example of melting and boiling you have seen in daily life. So the example of melting is like when the ice you put outside of the room, outside of the freezer, and it started to melt, started to be liquid. Boiling is when I want to cook a noodles and then the water start to boil. Let's explain what happened when water start to boil. When the water start to boil, the process change to be liquid go to the gas.
Okay, go to the gas. Okay, I have asked from math, uh, science, and mathematical as well. Now I will open some books here. Primary 5. You just start from science here.
Okay.
Evaporation and condensation. This one, interaction of matter.
Yeah.
Until,
Not sure.
oh, this one not yet. So I have a question here about this boiling point. Uh, the 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 condition when the water change into the gases, or usually we call water vapor, right? It's called when is it boil, and sometimes even when it is not boil, it it still can be changed into the water vapor. Sometimes we call it evaporation, right? So can you mention the difference between evaporate and boil? Because actually they have the same concept. They change the water into the gas, but they make it difference. This is evaporation. This is boiling. So
Yeah.
what is the difference between evaporation and boiling?
Okay.
Evaporating.
When the boiling, the temperature is exactly 100 degrees Celsius. But when the evaporation, actually it's not exactly 100 degrees Celsius. And also boiling and evaporation same also to produce the water vapor.
So it means you mean here the difference
Only the
only
temperature.
from the temperature.
Yeah.
Okay, so the evaporation can be happen in any degree Celsius. Okay, yeah, I see. Okay, maybe we can move to math. Difference. Okay, so for math, it's about probability, right? Math. Math will be taken from 97 until 101.
This one.
Yeah, this one.
But again,
Let me see. 97, oh yeah, 97 and 101. Okay, this is the introduction of probability and chance. Actually, they have learned this one at primary 4 before about the no chance, poor chance, even chance, good chance, and certain. It's just like unlikely, likely,
yeah,
right? Yeah.
yeah.
Okay. Since this one has ever learned, maybe we just go to the question here. Okay, what is it?
Design and draw.
Design and draw the spinner such that likelihood the letter starts. Okay, how about this one? Question number 6. I think this one you just need to use the random number here, right?
Design and draw a spinner such that it is more likely to land on pink. It means I need to draw a spinner.
Maybe you just mention how many pink that you want to draw, how many gray, how many blue, how many, yeah,
Or
and so on.
if that more likely, I can put 4 in here. One more likely, and then the less likely to land on orange and the blue. If the less likely, I can put 1 in 2 in here. I can put 8 in here.
It is less likely to land on orange than, yeah, okay.
It is equally likely to land on pink and blue, so it means we can put 2 and 2 equally.
Oh, no, because this is the same spinner, right? It means you need to use
Yeah.
this pink,
Oh yeah.
right?
So it means, oh yeah, sorry. So actually we can put like this. We can put in here 3 and in here 1, but in here 3 and 3.
No, the blue one. You got a mistake here
Oh
because
yeah,
this is
sorry.
blue.
Yeah, I can put 3 again.
Yeah. So actually, to solve this one, sometimes the trick is you just to start from the end, because this is allow you to get two certain number directly. So let's say you put here 4 and 4. So from this number letter, you can make it as a guideline to answer the step number 2. It is less likely to land on orange than on blue. It means the orange must be smaller than blue here, 4. And after that, you will get here.
Yeah.
You got it, right? Okay, you can explain this one to the students. So you can start to solve from the third statement and go to the second statement and one statement. Okay. Yeah, I think that's all for the book. We can just go to vocabulary list now. Now we go to vocabulary list. I will ask some vocabulary list here. We have from the science, solidifies,
Solidifies is become harder and firm permanently. Explanation in spoken transform from liquid to solid by through the cooling.
expands,
Expand its increases in volume or in size. Explanation in spoken greater than before.
ensure,
Ensure ensure is memastikan in bahasa. Ensure it's make something it's really happen or really true. And then explanation in spoken, ensure is like make certain of something that really happened.
okay, now we go to math, likelihood,
Likelihood is the probability of an event occurring. Explanation in spoken is measure how probable the outcome is numerically.
even chance,
Even change is berpeluang setara. Even change is the definition of even change is uh, equal outcomes from all probabilities. And then explanation in spoken, the manner fitting the context or the purpose.
okay, more likely,
More likely is higher than the other outcomes. And then explanation in spoken, become higher, greater chance to multiplied as impact.
Okay, now we go to Mathematica. We have keliling.
What?
Keliling.
Keliling dalam bahasa Inggris adalah parameter. Keliling itu adalah total seluruh panjang dari suatu bangun. Secara lisan artinya adalah jumlah seluruh panjang yang membentuk suatu bidang tertutup.
Rumus.
Rumus bahasa Inggrisnya formula. Rumus adalah persamaan matematis yang menghitung suatu nilai. Untuk menghitung suatu nilai secara lisan artinya adalah simbol-simbol yang menyatakan hubungan kuantitas.
Okay. Okay, Miss. I think that is all for our evaluation today. Thank you, Miss.